With the discontinuation of the KLR200 being replaced by the KLI wall switches, there's been some concern about whether or not we've taken away a lot of the functionality. The purpose of this video is to actually show you some of the advantages the KLI switches now provide, as well as some of the functionality that's actually still there within the switch that may not be quite so well known. One of the key benefits to the KLI switch compared to the KLR200 is undoubtedly the fact that it's pre-paired. It's designed to save you time during installation. Previously with the KLR, you will have had to have registered the link between motor and remote control, but we've done that for you now during production. So it's now simply a case of open the box, pop in the batteries, and operate the product. The main thing to bear in mind is the pre-pairing is key, because if not, what happens is we're in danger of opening up the box, taking out our instructions, and automatically following the steps. But this will break the link, because this instruction is all about pairing your switches for larger operation, which we're going to look at a little bit later. Now, to pop the batteries in, there's no need to actually remove the back cover. We've left a nice little space for the batteries just to slide into position. And with the batteries in place, all we simply do is tap the top button, which is the open function, as you can see with the window now starting to open to my side. Another area of concern that we've heard of is the fact that because each product comes with its own switch, the thought process is that if I wish to operate several windows or blinds, I'll have several switches to do so. Actually, that's not the case. And if you wish to, we can merge all of these switches together so we can have one switch operating simultaneous operation. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do next. Now, our two switches we have here are operating slightly different variations of the Integra window. We have a mains powered Integra and we have a solar powered Integra. But nonetheless, we can still create a master switch because they both transmit the same radio frequency signal. So irrespective of how they're powered, the process and operation is the same. So firstly, the main tool we need for this is a paper clip or similar. And what we need to do is, it's all going to be to do with these two small holes that you find at the base of each keypad. This little cog symbol is what we would use to transmit the signal. So the switch that I'm going to copy onto our second switch, I'm going to use this cog. On the secondary switch to receive the signal, I'm going to press the button with the pair of rectangles because it completes the pairing process. So when I press this little switch here, this little button, we'll hear the vent bar click on the window to confirm that it's now starting to transmit the signal. On the second switch, we push the pairing hole and they both start to click to confirm that it's received the signal. And when I press open on the shared switch, both windows will operate at the same time. And you can carry on this process for more and more windows depending on how many you have. And the same goes for blinds. Another function that people may be familiar with within the KLR200 was the ability to override the rain sensor. So if the window's been closed via the rain sensor and it's just been one of those short, sharp showers and you want to at least get some extra ventilation in, you can still do that with the KLI. All you simply need to do is press the stop and open button at the same time, and it will allow the windows to open a maximum of 50% for 15 minutes, after which they will automatically close, but you can override them again should you wish. We hope this video's helped to show you that there's a lot more functionality to the KLI switch than you possibly appreciated. But also don't forget that if you require any further support or advice, you can contact your local VELUX service technician or visit our website where you can find more information, especially for the Integra and the KLI, under the frequently asked questions support section.